Meteorologist Sam Parish here with the National Storm Channel with an update for you again on the severe weather developing in northeastern Oklahoma and southeastern Kansas this afternoon and evening. Right now, let's take a look at the radar and show you what's going on. We now have an extension of that severe thunderstorm warning on that cell in Nowata County that is now moving up into northwestern Craig County, which is what I mentioned a few moments ago. And you can see that right now the strongest part of the storm is to the north of Nowata, but it is developing a little bit of an appendage back here on the southwestern side of the storm on US Highway 60 west of Nowata. That's going to be an area that we're going to be watching very, very closely. Also wanted to show you what we call precipitation sorting on the radar. And what that is notice how the precipitation here, there's an axis of heavy precipitation here, and then another axis going off this way, and it kind of forms this V shape. Well, that's caused by a rotating updraft that starts to form right here. And then the mid-level winds, when they come up and hit that area of rotating winds, it veers off to the left and it also veers off to the right. And so you get this sorting of the precipitation. And so it forms this V shape on the radar. So this tells us that this storm is rotating enough to where the precipitation is now starting to sort itself out in different ways and forms this shape on the radar. So we're going to have to watch this storm very closely. Now, this is not a tornado warning yet, but it is strengthening and it is moving up to the north and east. So you folks in northeastern Nowata County and northwestern Craig County, just be aware of that storm. A bigger storm I want to talk about is further to the north in southeastern Kansas. This is near the community of Erie in southeastern Kansas, south and east of Chanute. And this storm is going to be clipping the northwestern part of Crawford County in the next half hour or so. But it's very strong storm. Large hail likely falling from this storm just to the west of Erie and near Galesburg. This storm is also rotating, especially aloft. If we take a look at the 9-degree or about 1 degree off the surface, and we're going to take a look at the velocities here real quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. We are seeing where we're seeing winds in the green, indicating where wind is blowing towards the radar, and then red indicating winds blowing away from the radar. So there is a slight rotation here with this storm near Galesburg, Kansas. And this is strengthening a little bit. So if this continues, then we could be looking at a tornadic cell trying to develop in extreme northwestern Crawford County over the next half hour, and also northeastern, I believe, I'm trying to remember what county this is. Let's see. There's so many counties there, and they're all very the same. Let's see. Yeah, Neosho and Southern Allen counties. So it would be this is Southern Allen County, and so this is Neosho County. So northeastern Neosho and extreme northwestern Crawford counties, you need to be watching that storm pretty closely as it moves up from the south and west. We have other thunderstorms back to the south and west in northeastern Oklahoma, north and west of the Tulsa metro area that are not severe, but they are developing and they are getting stronger. And of course, we are under a 20 to watch for most of northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, northwestern Arkansas, and southwest Missouri until 9 o'clock tonight. So again, if anything changes, we'll be sure to let you know right here at the National Storm Channel. But again, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for northeastern Nowata and northwestern Craig counties. Stay with us and we'll keep you advised.